In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with guests in Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful tool for project management and team collaboration, and inviting guests to participate on your boards can enhance your workflow significantly. Whether you're working with clients, contractors, or other external partners, this feature allows you to seamlessly integrate them into your process. Let's dive in and explore how to do this. First, you'll need to go to Monday.com, open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, simply type monday.com and press enter. This will bring you to the homepage of the website. Once you are here, look for the login button, which is usually located at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll be directed to the login page where you'll see various options. To make things seamless, choose the Login with Google option if you have a Google account associated with your Monday.com account. This is a quick and secure way to sign in without having to remember an additional password. Click on the Google icon and select your Google account from the list provided. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your shareable board where you want to invite guests. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a panel displaying various boards. Use this panel to locate your shareable board. These are boards designed to allow guest access. It's important to ensure that your board is indeed shareable, as this is necessary for inviting external guests. To invite a guest, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll find an Invite button. Clicking this button will open a form where you can send out invitations. Now, simply enter the email address of the person you wish to invite as a guest and press enter. By doing so, you trigger an email invitation to be sent out, welcoming them to your board. And that's it. You've just invited a guest to collaborate with you on Monday.com. Remember, inviting guests can be a fantastic way to enhance collaboration with external partners, so use this feature to its fullest potential. It's a great method to ensure everyone involved in your project has access to the latest updates and can contribute where necessary. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to collaborate with guests in Monday.com. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing productivity with Monday.com. Happy collaborating!